Hey, alright YouTube. Alright, I'm back. Everyone is wondering, thousands of people are wondering, what has happened with my Honda Elite 150? I'm trying to get registered and titled here in California. I went to the DMV months ago and applied for the new title. They did what they're supposed to do, I guess. Couldn't do it, so I needed a VIN inspection because it was so far out of the system. This plate was gonzo. Understandably, it's 86. But I figured I had the plate, the original dealer it was from. I had all this stuff. They could have just reissued it and just made it so much easier. But they didn't. So they had me get a VIN inspection, CHP. That was pretty easy to set up. Just did that, not a big deal. And then after that, some reason, before I went down the CHP inspection, he put in, you can see that, all 9s for an engine number, rather than do his homework and do the VIN, and I had the engine number on another piece of paper. He didn't do that. So after the CHP inspection, went back to the DMV, and went to put in all the right info, and it wouldn't take it in the system. This scooter just doesn't exist, or something. And that's the only thing I can think of, is because he did that. It obviously was registered before under all this information. Anyway, so then it went up to Sacramento. They've been dicking around with it. It's in this vehicle department where they look at vehicles coming into the country. It's fucking unbelievable. So I had a direct number with them. I called them monthly. For like 2 months, because I've had these temporary moving permits. And then finally I just got a check the other day, reimbursed for my $180 something, $164 in registration fees. Just sent it back to me, no letter of anything. So I already know, they just couldn't figure out how to register it. They give me my money back. Still waiting for a letter and all the paperwork, because they have all the original, not the original, but I think they have the bill of sale, everything. They haven't sent it back to me. So at this point, I'm just doing what I should have done months ago. The first place is register this thing in Vermont. Vermont doesn't care if you live there. They will give you a plate, a registration. They don't care about the titles. If your car is 15 years older, then you don't get a title in Vermont. They just want the tax money and the registration fees. So I'm going to give them a bill of sale and a NADA value of the vehicle is what they want, and 6% tax on that. So 6% of that, and that is your fee for registering a vehicle there. I think it's going to be $70 for me for this motorcycle. So that's the next step. Hello, Vermont.